Hello everyone. I am pretty sure you are proud of your Instagram account and the great photos you share with friends and relatives. However, what happens if you want to log out of your account? Did you try to do this, but it wasn't so obvious where this option is? Well, in this video I am going to show you how to find the logout selection through a very simple and brief step-by-step guide. But before starting, don't forget to support our channel, The Curious Traveler, by subscribing and hitting the like button. Back to our guide, which by the way is in mobile view, but more or less the same applies for the computer version of Instagram. First step is to click on the profile button, which is at the bottom right corner and has your profile photo. The second step is to click at the menu button, which is at the top right corner. It's represented with these small parallel lines. After doing so, you will see a drop-down menu from which you have to select the settings. As you can see, it is not easy to find it because not only it is at the bottom, but there is a big space between this and the rest of the options. After that, you will be directed to another drop-down menu where you have to scroll to the bottom in order to find the logout option. When you click it, you will get this small pop-up window asking you for confirmation and giving you the option to have the app remembering your login info for the next time. Congratulations, you did it. Not so easy though, correct? I suppose Instagram doesn't want us to log out. What is your opinion? Leave your comment and mention if you found this guide useful. Until next time, stay curious, join the Curious Traveler.